Yeah, I think we got another one, man. Popped up as $13. 13 is the magic number. 8.86 miles and 7 items. So yeah, we looking like real unicornish. I'm thinking it's a $30 order for real. So I'm thinking, I looked in, after I accepted it, you know I accepted it. I'm out here hunting unicorns all day, man. These are the type of orders that I look for, that I try to snag all day long to try to make more money than everybody else, man. I'm trying to eat up all the money. I'm trying to eat up all the money. All right, so 7 items, man. It's from Red Lobster. So 7 items could be a lot for Red Lobster, you know? It could be a whole, they could spend more than $100, and she did. I went and looked. She spent $116. Yeah, so that's what's up, man. They showed me 13, so it might be in the 20s because they only showed me 13. And my $30 orders be looking real 17-ish at accepted screen. But you never know, man, because it goes all over the place. I could be wrong, but I think this is a $30 order, y'all. I think it's a $30 order. In the bag. I'm predicting before drop-off. Whether I'm right or whether I'm wrong, I'm going to let y'all know. So let's get it, man. Let's see what the results is. I'm about to drop this off. I'm 6 minutes away. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Man, let's make that 4 minutes. So after dropping that off, $38. Man, a $35 tip. Doordash gave me $3, man. No peak pay. Woo! $38, man. I love those orders. Those is beautiful orders, y'all. I love those.
Yeah, I love those.
How can you tell, you know? So the items was high from a restaurant where if the items are high, they're spending a lot of money. So 7 items from Red Lobster, they're spending over $100. And yes, she ended up spending $116. So that's what's up. All right, versus we got the mileage, 8 miles. DoorDash wants to show you enough for somebody to do this order and feel happy about it if they can, you know? So they showed you 13 for the 8 miles. So that's a nice little difference in there. So it could be something hidden if the item count is high. And the item count was high. So I figured it was a nice looking unicorn. And I grabbed it, man. I snagged it. I seen, you can tell all of that before you accept an order. You can look at it when they send it to you, and you could just be like, damn, I think this is a unicorn. After a while, orders just gonna start looking funny to you. Like, that don't look right. I think that's a unicorn. You know what I mean? It's just quick bow. Oh, I think that's a unicorn. Let me get that. Bow, accept it. Let's get it. You feel me? Yeah, so yeah, y'all, thanks for watching this video, man. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like this video, and let YouTube know how I'm doing. Let them know I'm doing good. I love my subscribers, man. I'm up there now, man, like 285. Woo, let's get it, man. I'm about to have a celebration when I get to 1,000, man. I'm about to go crazy out here. Hope y'all like this video, man. Get at me, man. We back to dashing.